Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 18, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon July 18, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 18, 2025 Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, July 18, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 18, 2025 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.